Cleaning your Klaviyo list is essential to maintaining a healthy email marketing strategy. It ensures higher deliverability rates, improved engagement, and better overall performance. Here's how to clean your Klaviyo list. Identify inactive subscribers. Start by identifying contacts who haven't opened or clicked your emails in a long time. You can create a segment in Klaviyo to filter subscribers who haven't engaged with your emails in the past 3, 6, or 12 months. Review bounced emails. Regularly check for invalid email addresses by reviewing bounce reports. Klaviyo automatically tracks email bounces, so you can identify and remove these contacts from your list. Unsubscribe and suppression lists. Klaviyo automatically suppresses unsubscribed contacts, but you can also upload custom suppression lists. Remove contacts who've unsubscribed or marked your emails as spam to avoid sending to uninterested users. Segment and clean data. Create segments for engaged subscribers and unengaged subscribers. Regularly clean out the unengaged contacts who have little to no interaction with your campaigns over time. This ensures that you're only emailing those interested in your brand. Re-engagement campaign. Before removing inactive contacts, consider sending a re-engagement email campaign offering incentives to encourage them to stay subscribed.